before I met you, darling.
Long before I met you, darling.
Lord, I thought I had it all.
Lord, I thought I had it all.
I could have my lunch in London.
I could have my lunch in London and my supper in St. Paul. Got some friends in Albuquerque, where the governor
calls me go.
Where the governor calls me go.
You can give it all to Goodwill.
You can give it all to Goodwill
for the glory of true love.
Glory, 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 glory. That's
Glory,
what you
glory,
said.
glory, glory.
We'll do it again. Ready, ready, go. Glory, 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 glory.
Glory, 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 glory.
You can't never get enough.
You can never get enough.
Time alone will tell the story.
Time alone will tell the story
Of the glory of true love.
of the glory of true love.
Glory, 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 glory.
Glory, glory, glory.
You can't never get enough.
You can never get enough.
Time alone will tell the story.
Time alone will tell the story
Of the glory of true love. Time alone will tell the story of the glory of true love. Of the glory of true love. Jump Ryan! Well, jump Ryan. Okay. Thank you. We'll trade.
Handkerchief?
I dropped
What
it.
a power couple. Happy anniversary. Happy anniversary.
Thank you.
Party. I know.
Thanks.
Power couple. Like, I'm just going to switch my instrument. You can play that one now. Wow. Like,
I didn't play the trump, you noticed. Summertime and the living is easy. The fish are jumping and the cotton is high. Your daddy's rich and your mama's good looking. So hush, little baby, don't you cry. One of these mornings, you're gonna rise up singing. You're gonna spread your wings and take to the sky. Until the morning, there ain't no one to harm you. Your mama and your daddy stand fish are jumping and the cotton is high. Your daddy's rich and your mama's good looking. So hush, little baby, don't you cry. Don't you cry.
Wow.
Ah, that's for you.
Yes.
That's
By
for you.
special request.
Got me my feelings. That was. Thank you.
Thanks.
44 years today.
44.
Like they need to stop the game and come watch this. I know.
Beautiful. Thanks for singing with us, though. You should have been joining in more. So, Megan, I would love to sing anything with you, but I don't know what we both know.
I don't know how many songs I know. That's my only like.
I bet you picked Winnebago. Here.
Lyrics on Google.
Big.
Irish jig, perhaps?
What did you